I'm promoting a product using Google Ads Part 2. This is the funnel that I'm going to use to promote the 72-hour Freedom Challenge, and I'm going to click here on Edit Page. And this page is telling people that the free course will arrive through email. I need to record a video for this section. I'm going to write my name here, and in this part I'm going to put my picture. I'm going to add a new element, then image, and I'm going to use this video from my YouTube channel. So I'm going to click here to copy the link of the video, and then on ClickFunnels I'm going to click here, then video type YouTube. Here I'm going to paste the URL and press enter, and we are ready to go. The next step is to save. The next step is that I'm going to click on settings, and I'm going to choose my own domain. I'm going to click here and then save and update settings. And now every page of this funnel has my own domain. Then I'm going to click here on membership area, and I have here two links. This is the login URL, and the second one is to create the name and the password. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to copy this link, and I'm going to edit the third page. And in this button, I'm going to put this link so people can create their name and their password. And right now I'm going to edit this because I want to write here my name. Okay. Also, I can paste here the link of my Facebook group for the people who want more training and resources. I'm going to go back to the bridge page because I saw that I can put here my affiliate link for the 72-hour challenge. So check this out. Here where it said get started today, I have here this button and this one too. I'm inside of my dashboard. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to copy this link. This is the 72-hour challenge opt-in page, and then I'm going to click get started today, set action, and I'm going to paste here my link. Okay, that's cool. And I'm going to do that with this button, set action, and I'm going to paste my affiliate link. So we're ready to go, and I'm going to click here on save. The next step is that I'm going to click here on the membership area. Then I'm going to check the lesson. For example, lesson 1, introduction. I'm going to open the editor. This is the intro, and I'm going to write here my name. Done. Oops. Okay. Then I need to record a simple video for this section because the second video goes to Jonathan's introductions for this free course. The lesson 2 doesn't have any things that I need to change, so I'm going to click on open editor on the lesson 3. I'm going to scroll down, and here where it said try ClickFunnels, I'm going to click here. I'm going to go to my ClickFunnels affiliate link. I'm going to copy this link, then I'm going to click here set action, and I'm going to paste my affiliate link. So this is cool because with this course we can promote ClickFunnels. I'm going to click here on save. For example, if you're using system.io, you can put here your affiliate link for this software too. Then I'm going to open the editor on lesson 4. I'm going to scroll down, and in this section I can put here my affiliate links for these softwares. For example, I'm going to put again my link for ClickFunnels. Set action, going to paste my link, enter. I'm going to do this also for get response. Set action, it's done. I'm going to click into body, set action, I'm going to paste my link. That's good. And lastly, for the 72-hour freedom challenge, click on set action, paste, enter. Then I'm going to click here on save. Right now I'm going to open the editor on lesson 5. I'm going to scroll down. In here I can put my affiliate link for get response, set action. I'm going to paste my link and enter. Then I'm going to click here on save. I'm going to click right now on lesson 7. I'm going to open the editor. I'm going to scroll down and I don't have any links for this software, so I'm going to go backwards. I'm going to open the editor for lesson 8, and here I can put my affiliate link for Freedom Accelerator, which is the high ticket program, and also for the 72-hour Freedom Challenge. I'm going to click here, set action. I'm going to erase this link and paste my link. And then I'm going to click here on this button, set action, erase this link and paste my link. Enter. So now I'm going to open the editor on lesson 10. I'm going to scroll down, and here I can put also my links for ClickFunnels, GetResponse, TubeBuddy. I don't have Udemy. I don't have also this one. And for the best entrepreneur books. So these are products from the ClickFunnels affiliate program. So I'm going to put also my affiliate links on these buttons. For the 72-hour challenge, don't have legendary marketers, so I'm going to leave it that way. And for Freedom Accelerator, so it's the same process. I have my funnel ready, guys, and tomorrow I'm going to record the part 3. Talk to you soon.